To change the keyboard font style in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to locate the additional settings at the bottom. Click on it, then navigate to languages and input, select the manage keyboard and then go to the Gboard. Now you can find preferences right here, and then you can go down to the font. Now you can switch font between Gboard default or use your system font. Now if you use your system font, it will apply the same font that you can see right here in this menu to your keyboard. So that means if you change your original font for the system, it will apply it also for the keyboard. Here also you can adjust the font size, that means the size of the font on the keyboard, which is pretty obvious. So now let's actually show you how to change that font for your system if you're interested. So go into display and brightness, scroll down and select font. That way you'll be able to download additional fonts from the themes shop. Some of them will cost money, so pay attention to the price, but there's also free options. If you find them, then you can just install them. And if you have those fonts installed, go to the font settings and apply whichever one you like. Now, as you can see, I've applied this font to my system, and if I try to open a keyboard, it also uses that font. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.